Hey guys, today I am going to add this cute party table. This is not the same size as the normal miniature dining table. It is slightly wider and longer, but the height is the same as the miniature table. So don't forget to check the materials and measurements on the description box. To assemble the wooden pieces, I first glued the two long pieces on the edge of the craft wood. Next, glue the remaining two short pieces. To complete the table, glue the legs. And here's how the simple table looks like. Next, I am going to cover the top with this white silky fabric. So I kind of just glued the fabric to the sides of the table using wood glue. Then trim the excess fabric to make the sides neat and clean. For the table skirt, I used a tulle. I didn't really measure the table, so I simply wrapped the tulle from one side going to the front and to the other side, and then I used this length to cut the tulle. Next, I took another piece of tulle and folded it once. I then cut the same height as the table. And then, I cut strips from the folded tulle. Next, I took the long tulle that I cut earlier and made a loop. I used a small hair clump to close it. This will make tying the strips easier. Now, take the strips and tie them in the loop, like what I am doing. Just keep doing these steps until you reach the other end of the loop. You can also mix and match different colors depending on your theme. And here's how the table skirt looks like. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet, you can trim it later. If the strips are not equally distributed, simply slide the strips on either side and distribute it evenly. And then I glued the skirt on the edge of the table using a fabric glue. I didn't include the other side of the table because I want the table to touch the wall. After the skirt is glued, you can trim the skirt to the height of the table. If you want to make the skirt stiff, you can spray it with a hairspray. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more tutorials coming for the miniature pink and gold birthday party scene. Bye bye and see you soon!